My name is Dr. Bassam Doss. I'm a primary care physician for Southwoods Health. Well, I'll tell you, honestly, it comes from my childhood. My father was a physician, so was his brother, and my grandfather on my mother's side. They were all doctors, and so was my uncle on my mother's side as well. So I was around it my whole life as a child, and I remember many times my father would come home and just talking about his day, and he would always be so happy about maybe if he'd helped somebody that day. That always stuck with me as a child. And Southwoods' #1 priority is patient care and community. And that's very important. I love the fact that they are of this community, that the people who work here, the people that they see, the patients are their friends, their family, their neighbors. I love that. And they're not going anywhere. They're not some big business that is involved in a million other different things that have nothing to do with healthcare. So all those things and the integrity I've seen with the people here, it's been wonderful. I'm Dr. Doss, and at Southwoods Health, you'll see that it's not just about the treatment, but how you're treated.